Hey, welcome back. So today we are going to be replacing this 2-inch air vent with this new 2-inch air vent. And basically the way this works is inside there's a ball that opens and closes to let the air out. Really the first time when you're turning all these pumps on, it allows all the air to exit out. So please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll get started here. So I have heard these things are incredibly difficult to get off, and part of the reason they're so hard to get off is because, you know, all the minerals and whatnot basically weld itself to that pipe fitting. So I've got a monkey wrench here, adjustable wrench, and a breaker bar. That breaker bar may not be big enough. The biggest risk here is that I twist off this fitting, and then that makes this a lot more complicated. Anyways, we're gonna give this a shot and see if we can get this thing off here. Okay, let's see if this is gonna be my friend or if it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Oh, yeeks. Oh, oh my. Oh, it moved. It moved. Holy smokes. Ugh. Look at that. Ugh. Look at that. Woo! So this thing in here is completely jacked up. Like there's, whoop, that's not supposed to happen. That's supposed to be attached. This thing has been in here forever. Wowzers. Well, that's awesome. So I've got some Teflon tape here that I'm gonna put on, and we'll wrap this up. I'm gonna run back up to the house and go get a brush to clean up these threads. Wow, I am super happy that came off as easy as it did. Let me run up to the house and we'll be right back with the wire brush. Got a nice wire brush here. You just clean up these threads a little bit. All right, so I got the threads all cleaned up. Now I'm just gonna add some Teflon tape around it. You could also use plumber's dope, but it's cold and I don't have any, and if I had some it'd be frozen up anyways. Okay. All right. Oh, come on, sucker. Okay, that should be good enough. Well, that is pretty awesome. That is a brand new 2-inch air vent that for whatever reason only took about 5 minutes to replace. Again, this was another winter project that we've needed to get done for 2 years now, and I've been trying to get a bunch of other stuff done, so I kind of put it off. But this summer it became really important that I got it done, because if you've seen the other videos, it was just a lake out here, and for me that's a lot of wasted water, and it's eroding underneath the pivot pad. So that's another project I'm gonna get done probably in the springtime. You can see how much the cattle have come in here and just eroded the bottom off, and so we're gonna put a bunch of dirt in there. Well, we're gonna put dirt into the dump trailer, and then we'll bring it down here and backfill all of this. But that's a huge thing that we got done, so that's really great. Well, that's it for today. I appreciate you. Y'all have a great rest of your day.